Hey there, friends! Do you love animated movies like Pixar and Disney? Have you ever dreamed of making your own cool cartoons? Well, guess what? Now you can, with the help of AI. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can turn simple text into awesome animated videos, and the best part, you don't need to be an artist and you don't need fancy equipment, just your ideas and some really cool AI tools. So, if you're excited, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for more amazing videos. Alright, let's start by talking about the magic of AI. AI stands for artificial intelligence, and it can help us create animations with just words. That means you type what you want to see, and the AI draws and moves it for you. Isn't that cool? There are many AI tools out there that can do this. Some of the best ones are Leonardo AI, PixVerse, and Minimax. These tools help us make characters, scenes, and animations just like the ones in our favorite movies. The first step to making an animation is writing a story. Don't worry if you're not a pro at storytelling. AI can help with that too. We start by describing our main character. Let's say we want a brave little astronaut who loves exploring space. We tell AI what our astronaut looks like. Maybe he has a shiny helmet, a blue spacesuit, and a cool jetpack. Once we write this, we ask AI to turn it into a picture. Look at that. AI has created different versions of our astronaut. If we like one, we can download it. If not, we can make changes and try again. Now that we have our character, let's bring him to life. Using an AI video tool like Pixar or Kyber, we can make our astronaut walk, wave, or even fly through space. Just type what you want him to do, and AI makes it happen. Every great animation needs a voice. If you don't want to record your own voice, you can use AI tools like 11 Labs to read your story for you. Just type your words, pick a voice, and click play. Now let's put everything together. We can use free editing tools like CapCut or Canva to add music, text, and cool effects. Just drag your animations, add your AI voice, and arrange them in order. And there you have it, a full animation created using AI. Now it's your turn. Try these tools and make your own cartoons. Maybe your video will be the next big hit on YouTube. If you found this tutorial helpful, give this video a big thumbs up and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe for more fun AI tricks. See you in the next video. Bye for now.